This is the Renaissance Hotel near LAX airport. This was Sam's booking, so he gets all the credit or blame, but so far, I've just been here for like a moment. It looks very nice, really decent sized television, that's quite good. The fixtures and stuff look to be in really good condition, pretty high quality, nice style and look to them, which I appreciate. Got a little bit of art on the wall there, it's kind of a modern look to it. Got a closet, luggage rack, hangers, iron, standard amenities really. Ironing board as well. When I first walked in on the left, I thought this was a closet, and then I opened it and I was like, wow, that's a really big closet and it has a toilet. But then I realized I was looking at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom here, and again we're at the Renaissance LAX. Sam booked it, but his flight was delayed more than mine was by weather, so I got here a couple hours prior to him. He didn't add my name to the reservation, but the lady at the front was super accommodating when I showed her that I had a forwarded copy of the reservation confirmation, and I was willing to use my credit card for the incidentals. It's good here. This is environmentally conscious thing that they've got here. You've got the lighter flush and the full flush, so that's like if you do number one, and that's if you do number two, and you need the full flush. So you don't waste as much water. That's really quite nice. And of course you get some things there. We're probably going to take any we don't use on the cruise ship with us. We're on the Carnival Splendor tomorrow morning, so this is just for one night. But this way, when there is a weather delay, you don't stress as much because you've got that overnight. And so we'll get to check out this hotel and the surrounding area. Standard security features there. And so Sam's credit card that he used to book this got rejected, which I think is another reason that they were happy to a guy with a working credit card show up ready to take the room. They were happy to charge me for the room on my credit card. Hopefully I got his rate. We'll be double checking all of that, of course. And then Sam's just going to have to pay me back his portion later. So anyways, here you have it. This is the Renaissance LAX. Let's take a look out at the view. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. Now, of course, this is an airport hotel, so you're not necessarily going to have the most amazing view. But I've been here for a few minutes. I haven't really heard much plane noise, so I'm going to take that as a positive sign. So there you have it. The Renaissance LAX in Los Angeles. So far, this would be a recommend. It's got some power plugs here. The TV seems to be affixed pretty stable, which is good. I don't think that's a swing arm, so I don't think you're going to be able to plug anything of your own into the TV, but it's a nice big LG TV. So there you have it. Renaissance LAX, care of Vacation Impossible. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you'd like to see similar videos in the future, hotel reviews and things like that. Happy to do it. We look at the likes, so if there's a lot of likes on this video, we'll do more of this kind of content. If there's not, we'll probably pursue other content. So if this is what you like, what you want to see, let us know. And thanks for watching. We greatly appreciate it. And comment below, what do you look for in a hotel room when you first step in? What's the thing that makes a good first impression for you? What's your essential thing? Is it, for example, a nice set of plugs with some USB and like a base station? We like that quite a bit when that is available because we carry a lot of electronics with us. Vacation Impossible, we do a lot of filming, obviously. We got our podcasts, so we need a lot of power. We've got a lot of things to charge, and so those features are really quite nice. Got a funky little light here. It also has a couple universal adapters, so that's great if you're coming from Europe or somewhere else in the world that has different plugs, Asia, what have you. It's fantastic. It looks like they've really got you covered here at the Renaissance LAX. So again, thanks for watching.